Hi guys, we're back on the channel, and today this can be my channel. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to be tying shoes today, and I'm going to be showing you, and my mom is going to be helping too, so we can both do it. But the first one, I'm going to be doing it.
Okay, y'all, so we're going to take these shoes and teach you a way that we saw. I just randomly saw it actually, so I'm going to show you a different way on how to tie your shoes. So yeah. Here we go.
And I'm going to do this these up the first one.
Okay, let me fix the camera.
Yeah, I'm gonna fix it.
Okay, we're going to bring it down so you can see.
Yeah, so you can see all the shoes. So now I'm going to be...
You get your shoe, I get my shoe.
Okay.
Okay, so...
The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take one loop and then pull it up and then just make it
wait.
that.
Okay, so what she's saying is we're going to take our shoestring and make our first...
loop. Tie.
Knot. So just like you would regular, just tight.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to do the next one. Now,
then
make it like this.
Okay, wait, let me explain to him. So then we're going to do it again. We're going to take our shoestring and make another knot, but we're not going to knot it all the way. So like we just take it and make another knot, and then we'll just stop when we get down to like here. So we'll have a small opening where we did our knot. Okay, so what's next?
And then you're just going to pull it together.
Wait, you're doing too fast.
Wait, actually.
So what we're going to do now, she's saying, is we're going to take it and put, okay, so the loop that we have, we're going to take it and push it through.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to push the other one through.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're going to put it in. And then we're going to pull it. And it's a tied shoe.
Or if you want to make it another loop, you actually can.
Yeah, we can take and then double loop it if we want to.
Yeah, if you want. I want to make one.
Normally, when people tie their shoe, they do the bunny ear method.
Yep, the bunny ear method.
So we'll untie all of it.
And we can try that.
So normally what they'll do is they'll take it.
Hold on, Mommy. I don't want to try.
Okay. I hope they get this video.
Okay.
How about we demonstrate it one more time for them, okay?
Okay.
So we take it.
So I'm gonna
and we make our first
loop.
I have mine so ready. Just take it, cross it, and tuck it in.
Yep. And then
like you would regular.
And then I'm going to talk them how to do.
And then you take it again and do the same thing.
And then I'll do the two other steps.
Remember, we'll have an opening.
Yep. And then the next step, you're going to put this first one in, and then the next one in, and then do that.
Okay, so we'll take it
until it gets all the way to
push this through.
Mm-hmm. And the other one
and we'll take the other one and do the same thing. Mm-hmm. Push it through. And then we'll pull it tight.
Pull tight.
Good job.
And then we can do another loop. Again.
Yep, so you can do the double loop.
Yep, another double loop.
Good job.
Yep. Okay, now let's untie it. Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm going to be showing them how to do the double loop, okay?
So this is what we would normally see, just the regular
tying loop, but I'm going to be
bunny ears.
Yeah.
And then do this.
Yeah, but I'm going to be showing them, okay, Mommy? Because I think I know how to do it.
But that's not the way she was taught. It was just easier for me to teach her the first method because she couldn't like figure out how to get these bunny ears to do what they do.
Yeah, so I'm going to be showing them how to do only one loop and then just tying them, okay? So the first step you have to do is take them up, pull it through, and then just do this, like the first step. And then you're going to make a small loop and use 3 ties around. And then that's it.
Okay. All right, guys. I hope this helped you. Thanks so much for watching. What they supposed to do?
Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Bye. And don't forget to
like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.
Bye.